Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a short but sweet video of me doing a quick clean out of my refrigerator, and then I'm going to also include a grocery haul, and then you'll see at the end how I rearranged and made it much prettier. So as you can see here, I am unloading everything from my refrigerator and removing some of the shelves. And once it's empty, I'm going in with some antibacterial spray and I'm spraying it out and I'm wiping it all down from top to bottom. It was pretty messy in there. It was just right after Christmas, so there was some like turkey juice in there from where the turkey was sitting, and just a lot of crumbs and just a lot of dirty stuff, so it really needed a good wipe out. And then I'm also going to go ahead and clean off these trays, and I did clean the drawers too. I just for some reason didn't get that on video, but this is a clip of me just wiping down all the trays that go in there. Put it all back together. Alright, well, I just got back from the grocery store. The cats are very interested, except for Rivali, who's only ever interested in the bags. But I figured I would do a little grocery haul for you guys and show you what we got. I'll start over here. So we got some Good and Gather, which is just flavored sparkling water. Got bananas, sweet potatoes. Don't do that, TT. Got some sweet potatoes, avocados, tomatoes, green onions, some fuyus, which is persimmons, Japanese persimmons, some red onion, some vegan butter. We got some John Gold apples, and blueberries, strawberries, some bean sprouts, kale, some spinach, gluten-free spaghetti, some coconut sugar, and then we got some date syrup. Those are both my favorite sugar alternatives, along with maple syrup. Dijon mustard, cashews, canned coconut milk, full fat of course, some red curry paste, some tomato paste. We got some mangoes. That's more coconut milk. We got some crushed tomatoes, carrots, pineapple, butter lettuce, romaine heart lettuce, Ezekiel gluten-free bread, some crystallized ginger chips, some vegan chocolate chips, lentils, some dates, some cocoa powder, our favorite iced coffee, which you have seen in my coffee videos, some regular cabbage and some red cabbage, some spring rolls, fresh basil, some frozen peas, peanuts, and milk. I like cashew milk, and we're also giving this protein soy milk a try. That's it, guys. This is what my fridge looks like now that it's been cleaned and reorganized with all the groceries that I just bought. I hope you guys like this video. I know it was short, but I still hope it provides you with some motivation. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and we'll see you guys next time.